Caracal, acrobatic super cat of East Africa, is known to leap so high he can actually pluck a bird out of flight. This young male is hungry. Now he faces exhaustion, a slippery slope that can easily lead to starvation. But giving up is not in the caracal's DNA. This 4-pound hen can run as fast as 20 feet per second. But this time, the cat's too close to outrun. There is only one way out: up. Guinea fowl can burst into the sky with top speeds of 21 miles per hour. But these birds lack the stamina to fly more than 100 feet at a time. As this hen comes down, the cat is ready. The struggle is over in less than a minute. When the caracal closes the hen's windpipe, she suffocates and dies.